The first step to do is to remove all of the screws that are on the back. They are all the same length, so you do not need to be concerned about keeping track of which one is where. In this case, I had a bit of liquid yogurt that fell on the keyboard, and that was the main reason for me to open it, because the liquid yogurt was already making some of the keys a little bit sticky and hard to press on. After you remove all the screws, you need to open the keyboard, which will require a small piece of plastic that you can put, a thin piece of plastic that you can put in between right and the left side of the keyboard, also on the top. I chose to use a mild guitar pick. A credit card or a plastic prying tool will also help. It might be quite hard at the beginning, but once you manage to get it separated, it's actually quite fast to then open the rest of the keyboard, as you can see here on the video. The trick is to go really through both the side, the top and the other side until everything is fully separated. If you're finding difficulties, make sure that you really unscrewed every single screw on the bottom, as this might also be a common mistake that you might face. You can see on the bottom that you have the different layers of the keyboard, and you can then take them to wash it. To wash it, you can simply use water or water with some soap. Just make sure that you're not getting any water on the flexible layers of the keyboard. Okay. I chose to wash mine by having some water with dish soap and also making use of a bit of a sponge. First I give a bit of a bath to the keyboard, and then I use the sponge to really scrap off all of the grease that I had. After washing, make sure that you shake it off well so that you take the maximum water possible. If necessary, then you can also use some compressed air if you see that even with the wash some pieces are still stuck on the back. That was the case of some of my liquid yogurt that fell on the keyboard, and in my case using the compressed air just on those parts really helped to make the last pieces of the cleaning. Leave your keyboard to dry for a while to make sure that it's fully dry, and then test it once you are ready to assemble it back. I suggest you just put it together without screwing and just open Notepad like I did here on the screen and try to press every single key to make sure that both the feel is right and also that you're getting the right letter whenever you press it. Once everything is okay, you're ready to reassemble everything. When putting the 3 layers back together, make sure that you're following correctly the layout by using the points as a guide, and also make sure that each one of the keys is covered by one of the key pillows. To finish off, all you need to do is to put all of the screws back together on the keyboard, and that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you on opening your keyboard. If you liked this video and you want to help me keep on making more disassembly videos, please do subscribe and press the notifications button on my channel, and do leave a comment if some part was not clear or if you have an idea of the next thing you would like me to disassemble. Thank you for watching and good luck.